Hey guys, you're watching me about to take my trade of the day. My playbook is the ATPVD entry. It's the absorption trap participants volume delta entry. How my mind works and how I created a profitable playbook was making sure I have at least four, really it's three confluences, but really I like to see four plus confluences or reasons to get long or get short, whatever the case may be. In this circumstance, we're at all time highs, so higher time frame uptrend. We are in an intraday uptrend because we broke out of opening range, broke pre-market high, and we're holding. Um, we had a higher low pre-market. We failed to break yesterday's low, and on the delta footprint for the daily charts, we have a lot of sell delta there that are failing. So it's a lot of absorption. Also giving me confirmation. Uh, on top of that, for my entries, I did miss this. And if you're looking at the chart, you see that big sell delta 5 minute candle. There was a lot of trap sellers on that big volume delta candle. We also moved right into VPOC. And that was not only a retest of opening range, but the 9 EMA. So there's multiple confluences there for that entry. You had VPOC, you had the 9 EMA, you had the opening range, and that was all of a retest. Uh, Confirmed by price action with trapped sellers. Right after that, I did miss that trade and I did not want to chase it. I actually sat down, 10 minutes prior and I just was not locked in. I was still getting context. After I missed that, though, I did see how fast the buyers got rewarded and how big that next push was with that big long green candle that got us back above the pre-market highs. Once I saw that happen, I knew there was a very high probability that we would at least retest the upper balance range from yesterday's price action at 7620, and then most likely 7624, which was the high volume concentration area with some trap sellers as well. So I was targeting that, but I knew that I couldn't just get in for no reason. I needed to have some sort of good confirmation with lower risk, and making sure I got at least my profit target, 6 to 10 points, something, with the high two R or something. So that's what you're watching. As you can see, I already made the entry. The reasons I took this entry were because I knew because we're so close to 7620 in that upper range at this point, there probably wasn't going to be a bigger retest because I already missed that one. So after the first 5 minute candle created a doji, which typically would indicate a reversal, I did not want to just get in long. Um, After that doji was formed on the next 5 minute candle, uh, I did watch us break the low of that prior 5 minute candle, and when we did, sellers were coming in, but they were not getting any follow through to the downside, being able to take back some of that range that was given. Once bigger sellers came in, and we still were unable to take back that range, and we kind of reclaimed the volume concentration of that the prior 5 minute candle. I knew I wanted to get long, and I had only a 2 point risk, so that was really good. Um, as you can see, uh, you know, I end up getting out of my first three contracts 2 points prior to 7620 because I'm getting anxious. We're in a continuation trade where it could easily come back on me, and I took a loss on Monday that was kind of dumb. And even though it was a small loss, I wanted to get my week started with some good green, strong trades back dialed in. So took that first and trade off 2 points early. You can kind of see I missed the original exit; it just didn't fill, and then I kind of chased it. So I kind of I'm giving back profit that way, especially when we look at the big time frame of things, the bigger picture of things. I shouldn't be doing that. I need to get better. But anyway, I took off the first three contracts early. In the second two contracts, I also took off early. Um, Everything did exactly what I wanted. We went exactly to 7625. I think the market ended up being the high day, or at least for the time being, too. So I definitely need to get better at that. I left probably another 30-40% of profits on the table due to this. But at least now my week is green. I'm looking strong going into Wednesday. Don't know if there'll be any confirmations or setup for me the rest of the week, but I'm on a green week now and I'm dialed in.